Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Back up now because updates can fail and you want a recovery point. Make sure your battery is at least 50% or plug in. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi network and verify free storage. The system will tell you required space, but freeing 1 GB to 5 GB ensures a smooth download. You're starting the update process immediately, so open Settings and go straight to Software Update to fetch the latest package. You tap Settings, then General, then Software Update. That fetches the latest build. When the download begins, let it run in the background, avoid large uploads or streaming on the same network to keep bandwidth stable. Once the package verifies, choose Install Now for immediate application or enable automatic updates to let your device handle future installs overnight. You do this because verification prevents corrupted installs, and automatic keeps security patches current without manual intervention. You let the device reboot and watch the progress bar. Do not interrupt the power or cables. Once the home screen returns, make sure you sign in if prompted and test phone, messages, and Wi-Fi to confirm everything functions. If the update fails, try the update again. And if it still fails, connect to a computer, use Finder or iTunes to install or restore. That method resolves stubborn installs because it uses a direct USB transfer and full restore capabilities. Your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.